Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, make sure you turn on the bell notification. Make sure you subscribe by clicking on the red subscription button. Make sure you like and share and comment so that YouTube will push the channel to a very big number of audience. So today we discuss about the hidden V75 strategy, how to turn $10 to $10,000 plus scalping V75, volatility 75 index, join VIP for infinity profit. Okay, I will take you to the chart. Make sure you set the time frame to M1. Make sure that the zone level is the least zone level. That is a special property of V75. Number one is it is the highest volatile asset. Number two is because it is the highest volatile asset, it has multiple swing in the M1 time frame, multiple swing, and that is what we are going to be teaching you on how to trade it. That's what I'm going to teach you how to trade it. First of all, you really need to set this indicator window. This indicator window 1. You don't need the indicators on the main chart. You don't need it. The indicator window 1, you just see it here. You need relative strength index. These are the settings, and then you need moving inside the relative strength index. You need moving average 10. Is the exponential moving average. Okay. When you have done this, now look at what you are going to be doing. We are using double bottom strategy. Yeah, the reason why double bottom strategy works is that whenever there is a swing, like in the first time, like at a particular price, a swing, there is a swing, there is a price swing at a particular point. There is 100% certainty. This one is not probability. Certainty that whenever price return to that swing, it will actually reverse or swing, like change direction. Now, in order to get the best with this strategy, see, I'm just giving out this strategy simply because I want to help a lot of traders make money in this V75, because many people are not actually making money. The little opportunity they will get out of fear, they will just close in small profit, and then when they try to build the account again, they will blow the account. Enough is enough. Okay, actually I will not be teaching you about the complicated part of like advanced part of this video. I'm offering Volatility 75 millionaire course. If you want to actually become a millionaire trading V75 alone, try to enroll for the course. Okay, if you check down the description of this video, you will see the prices of the courses I offer. Try to at least focus on one particular asset and make it. I teach V75 millionaire course, jump indices millionaire course, and boom and crash millionaire course, because these are specialized assets that can make you rich overnight if you actually understand their behavior. So for me to do this video, for me to start telling you this thing, this fact is known fact. It works because over the years of trading this market, that is what I noticed. Okay, and it's real. Okay, now we have two levels here in the relative or strength index, the indicator window 1, level 90 and level 10. See how this works. It works on the, I don't know how I will explain it to you, but it works on the resistance and support theory, but it's more powerful than resistance and support theory in the sense that the swings are in the 1 minute time frame, meaning that there is no, like, once you place the trade, you start making profit. There is no loss. That is it. Okay, so see how it works. Make sure that the zone level is the least zone level, and then all you need to do now is to patiently, please, I beg you, patiently wait. Please, I beg you again, patiently wait for the moving average 10 to hit level 10. When it hit level 10, relax. please relax. I'm talking about how to get a buy signal. When it hit levels 10, please relax. Mark the price that caused the reaction to level 10, which is here. This is it. Let me increase this or make it 4 peso so you see clearly. Okay, now see. You see this price at this point, this point 1, okay? That is point 1. Now, this is a support level now, okay? In M1 support level. Now, to prove that this is a good support level, this is a profitable support level, the price must come back to this level. When price come back to this level, now, do you know why? It will reverse. Yeah, it will reverse. Even if it didn't reverse to a very long distance, to a very high price, it must reverse. Let me show you why. And that is what I'm going to be teaching you, how to take your profit. It must reverse. It must reverse because this is relative strength oversold level, which is here. Okay, level 10 is oversold. So what you need to do is you have to wait patiently. Once price is approaching the previous reversal swing point, which is here, once price is approaching here, open all your margins. I tell you, once you go to your trade history, what you see is, I don't know, you will see the profit moving like airplane. Like you will see from $20, you're seeing $50. Oh my god, crazy. All you need to do is, you have to monitor your equity. What is your equity? That will determine the minimum lot size you are going to use and number of positions you are going to open. That's why if you want to learn more about how to actually trade V75 and become rich, enroll for the V75 millionaire course and change your life. Are you getting it? That is it. So I've told you. So when you buy, you see, it's buy. Yeah, it's buy. Do you know why I say you shouldn't buy on the first retest to level 10? You can't buy on the first retest to level 10 because even though it has a level, the moving average 10 in the indicator window 1 has reacted to level 10. It here can be broken. This price point, this point here can be broken, and then it can be broken, and the charts, like the price action, this level can come up here, and you will see a new breakout, and you wouldn't be happy to experience such, okay? Because that would be a big loss. So what you need to do is wait for confirmation, which is let the price reverse here and come back here. Once it come back here, please enter. That is the property of V75. I have monitored it over years. It's working. It cannot break out on the second retest, no, but it can break out on the third retest. Yes, because whenever a resistance or support is being reacted to several times, at least if it is reacted more than twice, it will be broken. So it's not that, depending on the ranging situation of the market in the higher time frame, or how the market has had, what is the price action, the politics behind the price action in the higher time frame, how long the market has been in a trending mode, and all of that, it can be more than, like, it can be many multiple swings at those levels, okay? But because this strategy is something that will help, like, I don't want you to experience loss, you need to actually make sure you only trade the second swing only. That is it. Now, how do you sell? There are many swing sell, but if you actually want to sell, look at what you're going. Okay, let me talk about how do you take your profit, please. I have not said that. Once you buy here, you look at where the price, when the market first hit this point, here, it goes up here. This place is where it reaches and reverses. So you are going to place your TP here at that price 865225.01. That's why you are going to put here take profit. You are scalping, so try to increase your stop loss size. Try to increase your loss size and open as much position as you can, because definitely you must make profit. This is how people grow the account fast. Like, assuming it's $10 account, then you use 0.001, open 5 positions. Before you know it, once it hit there, look at, you are going to be making, let me tell you the truth, this is what you are going to make. I'm not going to lie to you. This is 6,357 pips. You are going to make, each position will give you $6.3, and then if you open 5 positions, you are making $30. It will surprise you. Your $10 has become $40 plus. Okay, next time you will see the signal, you will increase your loss size. This because your equity have increased. You can increase your loss size to 0.005. okay, then if you use 0.005, each position will give you $30. Then if you open 5 positions, that will be $150. Your $40 has become almost $200, like that. A point we reach when you will use one loss size. Now when you use one loss size and you open, let's say you open 1 or 2 positions, for instance, you are making $12,000 plus, because this is $6,357 pips. Some of you will not believe me. If you like, believe. If you don't like, don't believe, because you don't know the value of you having me in this type of market. What you actually need to do, if you want to enjoy money, if you want to be rich trading forex market, just enroll for my courses. Check down the description of this video. You will see I offer a number of, just select one. Be focused. One course, you are rich. That's all. Okay. So how do you sell in this type of market? Now, how to sell? You need to have focus. You need, what it is wait for, please, again and again and again. Wait for, patience is what you need. Wait. The more patience you have in market, the more you are making it. Wait for this to hit level. I'm sorry, I'm coming. Yeah, let it hit this level 90. When it hit level 90, you can see this is where it hit level 90 here. And then if you map this here, so this is the price. This is the price here. Then what do? You wait for, don't enter here yet. Allow the price to come back there, and you notice that price, this is where you need to buy the course. The price could not come back to this level. Rather, it comes at about half of the distance from here to like when it reaches here and falls, it comes to here. This is where the swing happen, and it reaches here. We're expecting the price to come here, but it couldn't, so it's sold here. So in that case, there is no signal. Because I'm not going to lie you, this strategy has its own peculiarity. There is no signal. We're expecting this to come back here so that you will sell. Okay, but you notice there is a ripple here. This point, what it means, this point have actually touched level 90 in the past, only that this breakout causes it to draw down. Yeah, that is I don't know how to put it, fake out. So this should be the first point. Then you wait for the price to retest it, and the price have retested it. This is zone of sell zone. You sell here, even though there is a little big breakout, it doesn't mean anything. That would be a useless, no value loss. It's almost zero, negligible loss. So what happened? The market sold. It sold back. Okay, it sold back to this level where it hit before, and you have gained 9,523 pips. In that case, if let's say assume your account is $50 and you're able to use 0.005 and you use all your margins, I'm not lying you. You are making, each trade is giving you of almost $50. And then when you open 5 positions, you're making $250. It's funny. It's funny, but that is power of knowledge. It take me, I'm not going to lie to you, please. For me, before I get this knowledge, I have to follow this market for 3 years. I'm sorry. It's working. Okay? I'm not supposed to open this secret, but I just want to open this secret so that you people will start subscribing to my channel. I'm sorry. You start subscribing to my channel and start buying my courses and start joining my VIP signal group. Start investing with me, because I have investment packages. If you're a big man, if you're a millionaire and you want to be more richer and richer, you can invest with me. I'm not going to lie you. I have all it takes. I have all the tools. I have all the softwares. I have everything. I have good trading environment to make sure your money grows. I don't trade with emotion. I trade as God. I know the signal before it happened. I get this. That's the game. Okay, let's check another good entry here, or for sale. Another. Remember, this is a scalping strategy. It only works in M1. It works in higher time frame, but I'm not going to be talking about higher time frame because we are scalping. Are you getting it? The higher time frame strategy will be in the course if you actually enroll for the course. Okay. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, you see, we are going to look at this one. Like, I want to get more. Yeah, this is it. This is a real example. See here, just make sure you push this thing. Like, you see, if you are watching because you have to monitor the chart in real time. When moving average 10 is here, you have to keep your eye on the chart, because it's going to hit here, and it hit here. This is the repo. It hit here. Then, because there is a little breakout here, a small minor breakout above some levels here, then they have to drop this point so that this one will hang. So here, you see, you are not going to sell here. Yes, you are not going to sell here. You are going to wait. Then it will sell. You will see it sell. Then you wait. Let the price come back to this level. Exactly this. You are going to sell here. Then this is your TP. I get it. So thank you. Remain successful. Remain focused. Subscribe to my channel. Join my Telegram channel. Join VIP signal groups and channels, because I have about 3 VIP signal services. If you check down the description of this video, you will see them. I have the one where I post about the synthetic signals, the Forex signals, and gold signal. Then I have a second one where I post only boom and crash signals. Then I have a third one where I post only drop signals or binary rise and fall signals, what I call drop buying off signals. Okay, start changing your life. Thank you and remain successful. Bye for now.